Hey friends, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day high protein style. I know it's been a little bit since I have made a YouTube video. I went on vacation with my husband. We went to Mexico together and I just unplugged and enjoyed some one-on-one time with him. And now that I'm back home, I'm just trying to get things back in order in my house and just catching up on laundry. And you know, the list is long as a mom of 4. I'm sure all of you other moms out there can relate. So I thought I would just do a video sharing what I'm eating, some foods that I'm putting back in my diet now that I'm home and getting back into my routine. As always, I will share my recipes and my meal plan in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. So if you're new to eating a high protein diet, one of the reasons that I eat a high protein diet is because it's so satisfying. I am never starving. It fills me up for hours. I get to eat some of my favorite foods like bread. I feel my best. I have so much energy. I eat a lot of food and I enjoy everything that I eat. I still have treats here and there. And when I go on vacation, I go on vacation. Like I go hard. I do not focus on eating like I do at home. Let's just say that. So I find that when I eat a high protein diet at home and I work on strength training, I can have those off days and I can go on vacation and not feel guilty about what I'm eating at all, because I know as soon as I come back home and I get back on track, I have this muscle base that I've built, that I've worked hard prior to going on vacation, that is helping my metabolism to stay up, to stay active, and just burn off those calories so much quicker. So hopefully this video will inspire you, give you some new ideas for some meals and snacks that you can have at home as well. So now that my kids are off to school, I'm getting ready for my morning workout, and I like to sip on a BCAA drink. So this is branched chain amino acids. It really helps with muscle recovery, and it just is a delicious drink to sip on while you're working out. It's really refreshing. So I've been using the FITBOD app for a long time now. I've mentioned it in a few of my videos, but I am a huge fan. I love that it tracks my progress and it just takes all of the thinking out of my workouts. I used to be a personal trainer, but I kind of let that certification go once I started having kids. Who knows, maybe I will get it again, but at this point in my life, I honestly just use it for myself, and I'm enjoying this app because it just helps me to focus on each rep, and that is something that I'm really trying to do lately. Instead of aiming for like 15 reps, what I tell myself is make every rep count. So as you're working out, try that next time. Just focus on every single rep instead of thinking about the entire set in total, and you will feel so much better and you will get so much stronger because you will have quality reps rather than quantity. So after my workouts, I try to get some creatine into my body right away, and sometimes I'll add it in my shake and other times I'll just drink it with water. Most days when I'm done my workout, I will honestly just make a quick protein shake, but today I was craving something a little bit more, and I have some homemade kefir. I have kind of gotten into the fermentation world, and kefir is just one of those things that I've been experimenting with. So I wanted to use that up today, and sometimes I'll add it in my shakes, but I tried cooking my oatmeal with it and it was absolutely delicious. So I recommend adding some kefir to your oatmeal next time you make it. It didn't make it too sour at all. It tasted really yummy and balanced, and I like making these protein oats because it's really quick and easy, and it's just a little bit more filling than a protein shake. And I was gonna delay my lunch a little bit today, so I wanted to have something a little bit more satisfying than just a protein shake. For lunch today, I went a little bit lighter on the carb load, and that's because I kind of front loaded my carbs. So I had lots of carbs for breakfast and also for my post-workout snack. So for lunch today, I went a little bit lighter on the carbs and focused more on a good quality source of protein. And today that was just canned salmon. And I like buying the canned salmon that has no bones or skin, just for convenience, because I do not like having a bite of salmon and then crunching into some bone. I know it's healthy for you, but it's just not my preference, and it takes a long time to pick out every little piece of bone or skin. So buying the canned salmon that has no bones or skin is my preference. For this lunch, I'm just layering some Boston lettuce leaves down and then adding some tomato and a little bit of light Swiss cheese. It's kind of like a tuna melt vibe. And then I have my canned salmon mixed with all my fresh herbs, a little bit of capers, lemon juice. That was food in Jesus' name. Amen. I love this combo. The capers, the dill, the parsley, everything. So good. For dinner tonight, I am making a chicken meatball with homemade marinara sauce and steamed broccoli with a little bit of rice. If you guys want this recipe, I have included it in the free document that I have attached to this video, so just check out the description and that is all there for you for free. If I'm being completely honest, I just went to ChatGPT and asked for a good chicken meatball recipe that uses almond flour rather than regular flour or breadcrumbs, so it's gluten-free. I just kind of adapted the recipe and made it my own. And guys, as I'm recording this after already trying this recipe, I can wholeheartedly tell you this recipe is fantastic. All of my kids and family loved this, so I recommend it. It's really healthy, pretty simple, and a really satisfying dinner for everybody. And I actually doubled this recipe so that I would have leftovers for the following night, because we have crazy busy weeknights lately with different sports and activities to get to. So if you're doing the work already, you might as well double it, and then you have 2 dinners instead of just 1. And also, I didn't include the recipe for the marinara sauce because I literally just did a little bit of garlic and onion and crushed tomatoes. That's it.
Can I have one too?
Mm-hmm.
Or what? Meatball.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Well, I'm definitely not that girl that stops eating after like 6 p.m. I will eat right up until I go to bed. If you're an evening snacker, leave a comment below and let me know that I'm not alone here, okay? Anyways, I'm so glad that you guys joined me today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.